Mimi's team winning or losing?
Let's figure it out. In round 1, the Frozen Flippers made it in 23 seconds. The Snow Trotters made it in 27 seconds.
Which one's faster?
The lower number wins because it shows they used less time to slide down the course. 23 is lower than 27, so the Flippers won round 1.
In round 2, the Flippers' time was 26 seconds. The Snow Trotters was 25 seconds.
And 25 is lower than 26. So Mimi's team, the Snow Trotters, won round 2.
So each team has won 1 round. Whoever wins the 3rd and final round wins the Belly Bowl.
22 seconds for the Flippers. Mimi's up next.
What time does she need for the Snow Trotters to win?
Less than 22 seconds.
And now, the youngest slider ever in the history of the Belly Bowl. Put your flippers together for Mimi!
You can do it!
On your belly, get set, slide! Look out! Uh-oh, this isn't good, folks. Mimi is behind pace. I don't think she can recover from that mistake.
Faster, Mimi!
Mimi, do your secret move.
Oh, Belly, look at Mimi move!
20 seconds! She did it! They won!
Way to go, Mims!
The Snow Trotters win! And Mimi has broken the Belly Bowl record! This year's Vince Lombardi Trophy goes to the Darling Snow Trotters! How does it feel, Mimi?
Amazing! A dream come true. And I want to thank the CyberSquad for cheering me on.
Folks, this is what greatness is all about.
Watch your favorite shows anytime on the PBS Kids video app.